Warning: thinking DIY fixes save money? Most people are actually ruining their car without knowing it. These are the 5 most common DIY mistakes that seriously damage your engine, brakes, and wallet. Stay tuned, because one of these may already be wrecking your ride and it can cost you thousands in repairs. Don't just fix smart, or you might be doing more harm than good. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Mistake number 1, skipping fluid top-offs. Common mistake: after draining oil or coolant, you forget to refill or tighten them. Why it hurts? Low oil kills bearings. Low coolant causes overheating and blown head gaskets. Cost if ignored. Engine Cs are $1,500 plus for gasket and head failures. Fix: always refill fluids to proper level. Never forget the oil filter torque. Mistake number 2, ignoring warning lights. Common mistake. Light comes on and you say, "Oh, no big deal." Why it hurts? That check engine or coolant warning often signals serious issues ahead. Cost if ignored? A failed sensor might lead to catalytic damage or engine misfire. $1,000 plus. Fix: don't delay. Scan the codes or consult a pro as soon as a warning light appears. Pro tip: early diagnosis is always cheaper. Mistake number 3, using wrong fluid or part. Common mistake: mixing the wrong oil grade, using cheap coolant, or fitting used aftermarket parts just to save a few bucks. Why it hurts? Incompatible fluids or parts can degrade seals, clog passages, or lead to poor lubrication, causing long-term engine damage. Cost if ignored: expect early wear, leaks, or even full seal failure. Repairs can run $500 to $1,000 or more. Fix: always use the manufacturer-recommended fluids and stick to OEM filters or reputable brands. Mistake number 4, over-tightening or under-torquing nuts. Common mistake: after a repair, lug nuts or filter caps aren't torqued correctly. Why it hurts? Too tight equals thread damage. Too loose equals parts come off. Cost if ignored? Stripped bolts, wheel loss, or oil leaks can cost $300 to $500 to fix. Fix: always use the proper torque wrench and follow manual specs. Mistake number 5, half-ass jobs on brakes. Common mistake: rushing brake caliper lube or reinstallation and contaminating pads or rotors. Why it hurts? Contaminants reduce friction, extend stopping distance, or eliminate brakes entirely. Cost if ignored? Rotor replacement. Full brake job can cost around $500 to $1,200. Fix: lube only pivot points, not friction surfaces. Always bleed brake system when reassembling. That's it. 5 DIY mistakes that may look harmless, but are costing you serious repairs. If you're serious about saving money, stop rushing and treat DIY like caring for your car, not risking it. Like if these mistakes surprised you, subscribe for more real no-code car advice. Tell me in the comments, which mistake have you done? We'll bust more myths in the next video.